Close your eyes and imagine everything you've ever known, every planet, every star, every galaxy, once being smaller than a grain of sand. Wait, the entire universe, including time, space, and matter, burst into existence in a single, unimaginable moment. This is the story of how the universe was born. But don't worry, no math, no jargon, just a mind-blowing journey through space-time and the Big Bang, in simple words. And hey, if you like turning complicated science into easy-to-understand stories, hit that subscribe button. Let's travel back to the very beginning. Let's start with the weirdest question of all. What was there before the universe began? The short answer: nothing. No space, no time, no atoms, not even darkness, because darkness needs space to exist in. There was no before, because time itself hadn't started yet. Then, about 13.8 billion years ago, something happened that changed everything, despite the name. The Big Bang wasn't a big bang like a bomb going off in space. It was more like the sudden expansion of space itself. In a fraction of a second, the universe went from infinitely small and dense to rapidly expanding in every direction. Imagine blowing up a balloon. Every point on the balloon gets farther apart. But there's no center of the expansion. That's kind of how the Big Bang worked. And it wasn't stuff expanding into space. Space itself was growing. Right after the Big Bang, the universe was unbelievably hot, like trillions of degrees. Everything was pure energy. No atoms, no light, no matter, just a swirling soup of particles and forces. But as the universe expanded, it cooled down, and things started to happen. Energy turned into particles. Particles formed protons, neutrons, and electrons. These later came together to form atoms. By about 380,000 years after the Big Bang, the universe had cooled enough for light to travel freely. This is what we now call the cosmic microwave background, the oldest light in the universe. So, how did we go from this baby universe to stars, galaxies, and eventually us? Over millions of years, tiny differences in density caused gravity to pull matter together. Clumps became clouds. Clouds became stars. Stars exploded and created heavier elements like carbon, oxygen, and iron. Those elements eventually formed planets, including Earth, you, me, everything we see. We're all made of star stuff, born from the chaos of that early universe. Okay. But how do we know this happened? We weren't there, right? Here's how scientists figured it out. The universe is still expanding. Galaxies are moving away from us. The farther they are, the faster they move. This matches what we'd expect if everything started from one tiny point. Cosmic microwave background (CMB). This faint glow of ancient light fills the universe. It is like a baby photo of the universe, taken just 380,000 years after it was born. Element abundance. We can measure the ratio of hydrogen, helium, and other elements, and they match predictions from Big Bang models. Let's tackle a few common questions you might be thinking right now. What caused the Big Bang? Honestly, we don't know yet. Science can explain what happened after the Big Bang, but what caused it, if anything, is still a mystery. Where did the Big Bang happen? Everywhere. It wasn't a point in space. It was space itself expanding. Is the universe infinite? Maybe. We can only see part of it, the observable universe. But beyond that, it could go on forever, or loop back on itself like a cosmic donut. Why should we care about something that happened 13.8 billion years ago? Because it tells our story. It reminds us that the atoms in your body were once inside a star, and before that, inside the first seconds of the universe itself. Understanding where we came from helps us ask better questions about where we're going. The Big Bang isn't just a theory, it is a cosmic origin story, and you're part of it. Thanks for watching. If you love this journey through time and space, drop a star in the comments, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-expanding science made simple. The universe is still growing, and so is our curiosity.